Welcome to another part. Directive Principles of State Policy, which comes under 32, Article 32 to 51. We will discuss this in short video, in a short, quick time. These are not enforceable by any court. State shall secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of the people. Certain principles of policy to be followed by the state: equal justice and free legal aid, organization of village panchayats, right to work, to education, and to public assistance in certain cases, provisions for just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief, living wage, etc. for workers, participation of workers in management of industries, uniform civil code for the citizens, provision of early childhood care and education to children below the age of 6 years, promotion of educational and economic interests of SCs, STs, and other weaker sections, duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living and to improve public health, organization of agriculture and animal husbandry, protection and improvement of environment and safeguarding of forests and wildlife, protection of monuments and places and objects of national importance, separation of judiciary from executive, promotion of internal peace and security, fundamental duties: abide by the Constitution, respect its ideals and institutions, national flag and anthem, cherish the noble ideals of freedom fighters, uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of the nation, to defend the country and render national services, harmony amongst religions, languages, protect the dignity of women, protect the heritage, protect the environment, culture, and forest, etc. So we had completed the directive principles of state policy under Article 32 to 51 in a quick succession and in quick session. And we will meet in another next video to continue another part of Constitution of India in